J247, how are you? Today we have a real treat for you. We're going to be reading The Jug and the Tube of Glue. Now, we're going to do that in a minute because first we're going to sing. Get up off the sofa, get up off the floor. It's time to sing to Jesus. Are you ready? Let's go.
Your sun down and set me free. Everything of this world will fade. I'm pressing on till I see your face. I will live that your will be done. I won't stop till your kingdom come. 'Cause you are my freedom. We lift you higher, lift you higher. Your love never ending.
Parables for Little People, The Jug and the Tube of Glue by Peter Hellier and illustrated by Susan Moffat-Bredvig. Once there was a jug. One day it got broken. The jug's handle came off. The jug could not be used to pour out the milk. People said the jug was useless and no good. Who would want a broken jug? Then the jug met a tube of glue. The tube of glue stuck the handle back onto the jug. Now the jug was really useful. The jug learnt that the tube of glue was its best friend. Would you like a friend to make you really useful? God sent Jesus of Nazareth to be our friend. Sometimes people may call us useless or no good. Jesus came to make us really useful. We can ask Jesus to put those things right which are wrong in our lives, and He will. It will be just as if He has glued us back together and made us whole again.
Hey J247, it is so great to see you today. I really hope you're having fun on your J247 fun day, and today I've got 3 experiments for you, all to do with rainbows. I love rainbows. I'm a very colourful person, not that you'd think it today, but anyway, I love rainbow colours and I love the fact that God's sign of a promise is a rainbow. So I've got 3 really simple experiments for you to do at home. You should be able to find all these things around your house and have fun taking part in them. Are you ready? Of course you are. You were born ready. Right, so first one, Skittles. These you might actually have to purchase, but we'll see. So I'm going to outlay some Skittles around my plate. Now, you need a white plate so you can really see colours blend together. Brilliant. You can take your time arranging these very nicely around your plate. And now I'm going to take some warm water. It needs to be quite warm, okay, not boiling, just warm. And I'm going to gently pour it over the plate of Skittles, okay? So it's great to have a white surface to do this on, and then hopefully you'll be able to see the colours all merge. Oh. You only need a little bit, okay, and then you just need to wait and it will begin to all blend in those colours. All the colours are seeping out the Skittles with the warm water reacting. And then the bonus, you get to eat the extra leftover Skittles. Woohoo! So I'm going to put those to one side and munch on them later. Okay, so experiment number 2. We're going to come back to those Skittles later and you might be able to see the full effect once they've all blended together. Right, this one involves milk. Everyone has milk in their house. Yeah? So I'm going to pour some milk, again on a white surface, white plate or dish or bowl or just something so you can really see the colours being mixed together. So pour some milk. There we go. Lovely. And then I'm going to take some drops of some food colouring. So get down here, look. Drop this one. Some red. Some blue. And some green. I'm going to take a cotton wool bud and I'm going to put it in some washing up liquid, okay? And I'm going to, wow, do you look at that? Do you see how the soap is pushing it all away and cleaning up? It's almost cleaning up the milk, isn't it? Fantastic. So, going to get rid of that plate there. Are you ready for experiment number 3? Fantastic. This time might get a little bit messy, so you might need a bit more room, okay? So I have 4 glasses. Brilliant. So each glass is full of some baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. You'll find this in your baking cupboard at home, maybe, or your cleaning cupboard, either way. fill it up in a glass, a cup, a plastic container, whatever you've got at home, okay? And then add a drop of different food colouring to each glass. So I'm going to take the green colour, I'm going to add it to that one. Take a blue one, oh no, this one's red. Add it to that one, comes out quite quick. And a yellow drop, and a blue drop. Woohoo! Right, you ready for some rainbow spectacular experiments, right? Are you ready for this vinegar in the jug, okay? Clear distilled vinegar. I'm gonna pour it into each of my glasses and we're gonna watch the reaction with the bicarb. Are you ready? Steady. Let's go. Woo! Rainbows! Now, I really hope that's brought a smile to your face today, J247. I love this experiment. It's so easy, so simple, and it just makes you go, woo! Rainbows all around. Brilliant. Have fun with these J247. Have a go at home. Get some Skittles, get your bicarb and your vinegar out, and have a go at these rainbow fun experiments. Brilliant. Have a great day, J247. Bye!
We'd love to encourage you that if you haven't yet had a look at the J247 Day videos online, the whole playlist is still there to view and you can look at them today, or in fact any day, because we're going to leave them up on our YouTube channel for all of the summer holidays, so you can watch them whenever you like, as long as you get your parents' permission, eh? Thank you for joining us today, J247. You are going to find some craft online at kf.church/online. I hope that you have a great week. See you soon. Grace and peace. Goodbye.